Yo, Sup! Today's video about the population of Poland. What's the population of Poland in 2025? Is about 38.2 million people. During the war, we accept about 2 million foreigners from Ukraine, refugees actually, but around half of them already left Poland due to they come back home or to other countries. So recently the population of Poland is about 38.2 million. Interesting facts, if we are talking about the population of Poland, is that as approximately 20 million of Polish people living overseas, including myself, how I used to live for half of my life. Now I'm back to Poland, so the statistics is one more. However, about 11 million identified Polish people living just in the United States, but unofficially there are around 20 million people. Interesting fact is as around 3 million of Polish people living in Brazil. Not many people of that know, but actually a lot of Polish people are everywhere. 200,000 in Australia, just in case if you're curious. Due to as many of my viewers are Aussies actually, and of course that's the people who still holding the Polish passports, or they identify as they are Polish, obviously, right? So yeah, the Polish population is about 38 million in Poland by 2025.